Hi, Miss Hamilton. This is going to be the explanation of my sea star model. Sea star is the animal I chose for the lab. So let's get into it and we'll go down the list and explain what everything means and hopefully clear up this whole diagram situation. So first of all, on the list is a boral or oral. A boral just means a front-facing view versus oral means an interior view. Like whether an oral view would be like seeing the inside, so like this is parts of the inside of the body, so that would be an oral view. Type of symmetry, most sea stars are perfectly symmetrical. Some are not, but for the most part, they're pretty symmetrical. Spines, I don't know if you can see it, I'll like zoom in here, but these are like little engravings I made to represent the spines. So the spines are little things on the edge of the arms of the starfish that assist them with breathing, because it helps them break down the oxygen. Also, those spines are a defense against predators who may want to eat them because they are quite sharp and jagged. Next thing is going to be the central disc. This is the thing you see around the middle right here. It works as almost like a container for the heart and the stomach, or the stomach and the anus and all of that. It kind of holds it all together and keeps everything where you want it to be. The next thing is we have the anus, which as you can see is right here in the middle. It's kind of sticking out a little bit. That's how it would look on a starfish too. This is a front-facing view of the starfish, so the anus would be up, and that is how they get rid of their waste, and it is the last step in their digestive tract. Next on the list, which you can't see in this diagram, is their tube feet. The tube feet on a starfish is on the bottom, but it is what helps them move around. It's also what helps them breathe in air because it breaks down the oxygen very well. So that's what their tube feet are for. Their tube feet are extremely useful. It's one of the things that keeps them alive. It's also what allows them to pick up food and be able to put it in their mouth. Again, the mouth also on the underside, so you can't see it in this diagram, but it would be right on the other side of the starfish, right underneath there. The next thing we have to go through is the radial canal, which is found right here. This again helps them break down food that they eat and spread it around the entire starfish. Next is the mouth, which we already went over. The gonads right here, which is like a filling almost on the side of the arms of the starfish, which helps fill up room in the starfish and keeps them warm and stuff as they're at the bottom of the ocean, almost serves as like an insulation. The next is the stomach. The stomach is this square box inside the ring canal that's underneath the anus. The stomach, same thing as humans, it processes the food that they eat. They mostly eat like oysters and clams, so it processes the food that they eat and helps them with that. The last thing that I'm going to do, just as a demonstration, because starfishes or sea stars can reproduce entirely when a limb is broken off. Say I were to break off this limb, so this right here would grow fully back, but on top of that, this limb, which is not completely broken off, would grow a whole other starfish onto it. I thought that was kind of cool. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.